So we are here to tell you something very important. See, whenever we go to a school, we get some responsibility, right? Do you understand English? All? Do you understand Hindi? All understanding Hindi? Telugu? Telugu मेरे को नहीं आता. So what I was telling कि आप लोग स्कूल जाते हैं, so teacher give you some responsibility, right? So when we take responsibility, what we do? We fulfill that responsibility, right? So as a human, we also have some responsibilities. So today I am going to talk about that responsibility. So before we start, do you know what is personal? You know what is personal? What? Can you tell that? Yeah. Stand up, stand up.
A personal is that is our secret that we will not tell to another.
Okay. Good. Class for India. Can anyone tell more about personal? Anyone? Yeah, come on. Can you tell that? Please stand up. Come.
Personal is something that we don't tell anybody and we just keep in ourselves, and it's like private, I think.
Great. Please clap. Very good. Yeah. Yes. So you understand what is personal, sir? More easily, I will explain. See, what belongs to us, that is personal, right? What belongs to us is personal. For example, this is what is this? What are you wearing? Mask, right? Whose mask is that? That is your mask. That means that is belongs to you. That is personal, right? And what is this? What are you wearing? That T-shirt. So whose T-shirt is that? That is my T-shirt or your T-shirt? My T-shirt, right? That is your T-shirt, right? So that is what? That is personal. Same like that, we have 4 parts in our body. That is personal. Personal means that belongs to us. No one should goes to that. Like no one should touch to that, right? We should not feel shy. See, if someone is taking your belongings, like taking your pen, taking your mask, what do you feel shy to say no? Do you feel shy? No, right? So like that, we have 4 parts that belongs to us. What is that part? Say mouth, back, chest, and parts between our legs. Say loudly, okay? Say with me loudly. We have to say that because we should not feel shy. What is that? Mouth, chest, back, parts between our legs. So what are these parts? That is personal parts, okay? So personal means this one belongs to us. So here I will show you one small movie, okay?
This is me, Komal. I'm 9 years old. I love my school so much. Some of my friends are naughty at times. But even I'm naughty sometimes, now. Even Papa doesn't play. So very feel better if they no. Also, said Papa. But I still love Hey, this is nice. Papa's old friends, but Bakshi uncle and auntie are our new neighbors.
Hello. Who is this sweet little girl?
It would have been better if they had children for me to play with. Bakshi uncle is dropping me to school. Papa was getting late to work, na? That's why. He's very sweet. Auntie's a very busy woman. But uncle works from home only. They have such a nice house. And it is full of pretty things. Wow, unicorn.
It's okay. You can tell Mama you got it from me. Or you don't have to tell her.
Even Papa doesn't play with me so much. Bakshi uncle is so much more fun.
Where is my little doll? Where did she vanish? Oh, you must be here. Yes, gotcha.
Even took me out to eat cola once. Please don't tell Mama, huh? She might get angry. She's strict, na? I wanted to tell Mama, but I was afraid. So what if I have cola? Anyway, all my friends eat it.
Hey, you want to play a new game? A secret game.
Yeah, that will be fun. What are you doing, Uncle? What kind of felt dirty? Why did Bakshi uncle do it? I feel so dirty.
Mrs. Kumar, I wanted to speak to you regarding Komal. Beta, why are you sad? Did someone say anything to you in school? What happened? Did someone hurt you? If you don't tell me, my dear, how can I help you?
I have secrets. I have lied to you about the cola. This. Dirty. You would be very angry if I told you what I have done.
I promise you I won't be angry. I love you, don't I? Then trust me.
Nice uncle.
Which uncle?
No, wait. Everyone will know.
Then what can we do? Whose help can we seek? We can't let Bakshi get away with this.
Childline. My friend Priya works there. They help children.
10, 9, 8.
Hello. Komal, I know what happened to you was not your fault at all. We will ensure that your Bakshi uncle can never see you again. Let me show you how to keep yourself safe. Hi kids, how are you all today? Have you ever been in a situation that made you feel uncomfortable?
Yes, baby. When my little dog chews away my shoe, I get very angry.
That's true. What I mean is, has anyone touched you in a way that made you uneasy? Which of you have experienced this? Then, how do we know if someone is doing something wrong or touching us the wrong way? Here, let me explain. We all need to have our own personal space in our body. There are 4 zones which should not be touched by anyone, and nor should you touch anyone else's part. Mouth, chest, the part between your legs and buttocks. These are your personal spaces. Only the most trusted people, like your mother, may see and touch you in your personal spaces. So tell me, when you come home from school and your mama gives you a hug, how do you feel?
Yeah.
Sometimes she smells of vegetables. Yuck.
But don't
One,
feel very nice.
Yes, you.
1019.
In the 4 zones by giving you a bath. Or sometimes Dr. Uncle checks you in mama or papa's presence. This touch keeps you clean and healthy. When we are touched by someone who loves us and cares for us, we call it safe touch. If anyone else touches you in one of the 4 areas, it could also make you feel shy, scared, yucky,
1019.
unhappy.
Hello.
Show you dirty pictures
Hello.
or make you undress or
1019.
touch their personal parts in front of you. All such actions are not safe for you, and we call them unsafe touch. Some people do such things even though they are not good for you, and you feel hurt.
So then what will you do if someone touches you in these places?
You should shout, "No, no!" and run to someone you trust and tell them.
Who is that?
You tell them, whom do you trust?
My pet.
Yes, you can tell your pet, but will he understand you? Will he be able to help you?
I trust my mama and my teacher.
So, if someone ever touches you in a way that makes you uncomfortable, you must tell someone you trust and keep telling them until they listen to you. By talking to the person you trust, whether it is your mama or your papa, you can help to make sure it never happens to you or any other child again. You should also know about Childline. If you dial 1098 and ask for help, a trusted person will come to help you. Always remember, it is never your fault that someone touched you wrongly. It is the fault of the person who did it. Never be afraid to speak your mind. If someone is harming you, speak up.
Recording only. అది ఓన్లీ
Tell me what happened.
ఐ థాట్ టీవీలో చూడొచ్చు కదా
సామ్సంగ్ అది ఇదేంది
మీ అమ్మ.
ఇది సోనీ అందుకే అప్పటి నుంచి
Sorry.
అక్కడికి వస్తుంది
అయ్యో ఐ డిడ్ నో దిస్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే లీవ్ ఇట్ ఇది చేయలేము మేము
ఐ కాంట్ యూ
And Childline shall be there for you.
So you understand that movie? Who is Bakshi uncle? Good uncle or bad uncle? Okay, so you saw that, right? How Gucci uncle and Komal story
They're showing like
was
sexual
the
abuse
Komal's
గురించి.
mistake?
So here you go, screen mirroring.
No, she hid that. Right? She didn't share, right? She didn't share with the mama that she had.
Wi-Fi is not connected.
So what we
ఏమో
should do
మరి
whenever
కాదు, వైఫై వస్తలేదు.
we should share this with
అది మళ్ళీ
whom should we
వాళ్ళ
share?
వైఫై ఉంది.
किसके साथ बोलना है? पेरेंट्स और जिसके ऊपर आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, जिसके ऊपर आप भरोसा करते हैं, उनके साथ क्या करना है? शेयर करना है. So you have to share with whom you are trusting. And who can touch your body? Mother and father, or whoever, like whenever you need, like whenever they want to shower or something. Okay.
Screen mirroring.
How you understand which one is good touch and which one is better?
ఎంతసేపు ఉంటుంది?
దీన్ని పెద్ద స్క్రీన్ లో చూడటం ఏముంది.
సరే
When we
బాబా,
feel
ఇక్కడ పెట్టి
good,
చూస్తున్నా.
right? We understand, right? When mama
ఊరికే అనుకున్నా, ట్రై
understand, that's a good touch, right? So when we feel that we are feeling good, that is a safe touch. Okay. And when we go to doctor, we should go with the parents, and doctor can watch or see when your mother, parent, or teacher is there. Okay. So you understand this topic, right? And what are that 4 parts you remember? Can we repeat that again? Yeah. So what is that? Chest, parts between our legs and our back. Okay, good. Yeah. So thank you very much. What do you do when it happens? We should shout, good, and we should not hide. We should stop them, tell them no, and to whom we should contact? What is that number? Can we repeat? 1098. Remember that number, okay? 1098. Whenever it happens, we should call to 1098. Okay, children. Thank you very much. So adults can be here, and children can take a rest for now.
One by one. Juniors, only juniors. Line, make a line. Wait. Go inside. Wait.
Next part for the adults, so better question. Okay, so let them hear. Okay, no problem. We will continue.
Juniors, okay, stand up. Stand up, juniors. Juniors, stand up. Or make a form and line. And go inside. Only juniors. In a line. In a line.
Yeah.
Hey, it's getting nothing. Don't touch.
Start your talking.
No. इनको भी रहने दो. You go and see them. Go inside. Sit and see. Young go.
Yeah, better to avoid this time, na, for longer time. So shall we start? Welcome again, okay? How many of you are using phone, cell phone? Raise no problem, just raise your hand. हाँ देखिए. Okay, but see, nowadays we are using phone. We can't say no, but there is something we need to be careful, right? How we put lock to our door? घर को लॉक डालते नहीं डालते हैं, घर में खुला छोड़ के तो नहीं जाते हैं ना. तो घर तो रहेगा, मगर कुछ उसके चीजें हैं जो we need to take that precautions. Okay, we all know कि घर में कैसे चोरी होती है. Anyone can come and take, right? So something like that is there in our phones. So how to use that phone? Okay, क्या क्या यूज करते हैं आप लोग? हाँ, सोशल मीडिया. हाँ, Google Pay. Wow, see one billionaire here. What do you use?
Google Pay, Phone Pay.
Google Pay, Phone Pay and WhatsApp. Okay, और Zoom Meet, और Zoom Meet के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं Flipkart. Wow, all Amazon. Okay, great. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. ओ एक ही है पढ़ने वाला यहाँ पे, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. See, there are few things that we are not supposed to use by the government, right? Facebook you cannot use, Instagram you cannot use before 18, right? Government say that you should not use. This is from the government. You can use phone, you can use online classes, you can use games, you can use Google Pay. But you should not use social media. Till what age? 18. हाँ, 18 तक. किस सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं? सभी के हैं. Good, you should remove that. You should not use. Why? Because there are so many things happening in online, right? Online में बहुत सारे problems आ रहे हैं. हम लोग को वो नहीं पता. आपके फोटोज निकाल करके आपका फेस निकालते हैं, दूसरों की बॉडी लगा देते हैं वहां पे. तो आपको क्या होगा, अगर एक बार ऐसा सोशल मीडिया पे सबको मालूम हो गया तो सब लोग आपको हेट करेंगे ना, राइट? सो ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं जिससे हम सोशल मीडिया को केयरफुली यूज करना है. 18 से पहले नहीं यूज करना है. 18 के बाद यूज करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, क्या क्या हमको नहीं करना है. सो वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट. आई विल आस्क यू शुड टेल मी कि क्या क्या चीजें नहीं करना है. ओके, एक तो ये कि whenever you use, you should not say and share your number. You should not share your phone number to stranger. क्या होता है, बहुत बार आपको देखें कितने बार मेल आता है, उसमें आपको पूछते हैं कि आपके अकाउंट में इतने 1000 रुपीज आ जाएंगे एंड you won that lucky draw, you will get this much money. You understand all that? You will get this gift. Nothing is free online. This is the game. That's very planned game for you to take your personal information. They can use anything. What will happen if you give your phone number to a stranger? What will happen? They will? Oh my God. Okay. And क्या हो सकता है, आपका फोन नंबर गया तो एक दूसरे को बेच सकते हैं. और क्या कर सकते हैं, आपका फोन नंबर दूसरों को गया तो जब भी स्ट्रेंजर से बात करें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप घर में बैठे रहे हैं, ओके, इफ यू आर इन दी होम एंड सडनली वन स्ट्रेंजर समझते हैं ना, स्ट्रेंजर कमिंग टू योर होम, अननोन पर्सन, एक नया आदमी है, वो आपके डायरेक्ट घर में आ गया और आपसे कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहा, आप क्या करेंगे? उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे घर में? नहीं करेंगे। आप उसको कोई भी एंटरटेन करेंगे, उसको चाय पिलाएंगे क्या? नो ना। सो वैसे ही सेम थिंग लाइक इन सोशल मीडिया और इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, समथिंग इज डायरेक्टली कॉन्टेक्टिंग यू एंड आस्किंग समथिंग, what you will do? You will protect yourself, right? You will not share.
पेरेंट्स हियर आपको समझ में आ रहा है తెలుగు వాళ్ళు అర్థం అవుతుందా మీకు ఏమి అర్థం అవుతుంటే అడగండి ప్లీజ్ ఓకేనా
Yeah, please ask. आपको हिंदी में, तेलुगु में सर है यहाँ पे, आप पूछ सकते हैं तेलुगु में, हिंदी में।
जो भी है चोबा
हाँ, please feel free to ask, feel free to discuss.
అంటే మీకు తెలవాలి ఏమేం అవుట్ పోకుంది అవనికి. సో మీ పిల్లలకు ఫోన్ ఇస్తప్పుడు దగ్గర ఉంటే కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. ఈ ఉద్దేశం నుంచి మీకు తెలిసిన అది కూడా చూస్తే అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడైనా ప్రెషర్ చేస్తుందని మీ పిల్లలు.
For you, it's more important to understand because, yeah, please.
నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. ఇది చాలా సార్ ఏమైతుంది, మన పిల్లల దగ్గర ఫోన్ ఉంటది, ఫోన్ ఉంటే అన్నోన్ కాలింగ్ నంబర్ తోనే మీకు కాల్ వస్తే పిల్లలకి అర్థం కాదు. ఇఫ్ ద వాయిస్ ఇస్ వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ ఏం వినపడుతుంది ఫోన్ లో, వాళ్ళు అనుకుంటారు మా రిలేటివ్ ఉన్నాడు, మా అన్న ఉన్నాడు, మా ఫాదర్, మా అంకుల్ ఉన్నారు. అందుకనే వాళ్ళు ఓటీపీ అడిగితే యువర్ పర్సనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్ గాన్. మీ పర్సనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫ్రంట్ పర్సన్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. చాలా సార్ ఏమైతుంది, మీ బ్యాంక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటది. వాళ్ళు మీ కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యూజ్ చేసి, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎల్డర్స్, మీకు ఫోన్ వస్తుంది, మీరు ఒక్కసారి అడుగుతారు ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, ఏం కావాలి. చిల్డ్రన్స్ తోని కాదు, ఎల్డర్స్ తోని కూడా ఈ మిస్టేక్ అవుతుంది చాలా సార్. సార్ నాకు ఓటీపీ చెప్పండి అంటే మనం ఏం చెప్తాం, దేనికోసం ఉంది? అరే సార్ మీ ఆధార్ కార్డ్ కోసం ఉంది, పాన్ కార్డ్ కోసం ఉంది. ఆ కాలంలోనే, ఆ టైంలోనే ఆ పని నడుస్తూనే ఉంటది. అండ్ ఫ్లూ మనం అది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేస్తాం. దానికోసం చాలా ప్రొటెక్టివ్ ఉండాలి. వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఫోన్ ఉంటే ఏం ఫోన్ వస్తుంది, ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, 100% మీ ఐ ఉండాలి దానిపైన. లేకపోతే చాలా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది చిల్డ్రన్స్ కి, ఎల్డర్స్ కి కూడా. ప్లీజ్.
So it's for adult also it's very important, like what your children doing, आपके बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए आपको भी समझना जरूरी है. So one is phone number we should not share, okay? Second is your name. What will happen if you share your name? They can use it, like they can call to your friend also and tell that this your friend told me like that, because they will have that data, right? Who are your friends, where you go, all that data they have. तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे, अगर आप नाम बोलेंगे तो दूसरों को कांटेक्ट करके आपके फ्रेंड को आपके नाम से ब्लैकमेल कर सकते हैं. सो यू शुड नॉट शेयर योर नेम टू अननोन पर्सन. एंड यू एड्रेस, गुड एड्रेस आल्सो वी शुड नॉट शेयर. कौन सा एड्रेस? होम एड्रेस एंड स्कूल एड्रेस एंड parents office address. We should not share any address, not only home, school address भी नहीं बोलना है हम लोग को, okay? And you should not share your birth date. We will happily say that because we think they will wish us on our birthday and we will share our birth date. We should never share our birth date, okay? They will know our age, they will understand our mind. So we should not share our birth date. We should not share our passwords. Okay, good. Yeah, you should read, And number 2, one is we are not sharing anything with our unknown people, okay? And second is think twice before you post anything. Whatever you are going to post, you should think twice, because what you are posting, where it can go, anyone can download and misuse that. So think twice whatever you are posting. And the next is speak up, like whenever you get some information, you get someone like contacting you, someone trying to break your wall, or someone trying to message you, trying to get your information, don't be silent. That you should share with your parents. And if something is serious, you should share to Childline or to your concerned person, okay? So you should share, you should never be silent. And don't click on unknown mails. बहुत सारे मेल्स आते हैं ना, उन लोग के लिंक्स रहते हैं, यू फाइंड दैट लिंक राइट, डायरेक्टली क्लिक नहीं करना जब तक आपको लिंक का आइडिया नहीं है, अननोन लिंक है, नेवर क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक, वी शुड बी सेफ एंड वी शुड ऑलवेज डाउनलोड एनी antivirus software, malware software and all, we should always have that software in our mobile phone and computer. Okay, so these are the guidelines we should always follow for using any kind of internet, and we should be very careful while browsing, because whenever you browse ना, browsing समझते हैं ना, जो भी आप लोग ब्राउज करते हैं, एक बार ब्राउज करेंगे तो वो हमेशा आपके बैकग्राउंड में रहेगा, आपकी लाइफ टाइम वो बताएगा कि आप क्या टाइम पे क्या ब्राउज किए थे, ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमेशा साइट पे अवेलेबल रहती है. सो व्हेनेवर यू ब्राउज केयरफुली, डोंट ब्राउज एनी अननोन वेबसाइट. आपको वर्क से रिलेटेड जो वेबसाइट है सिर्फ वही ब्राउज करना है. एक बार आप करेंगे तो ऐसा नहीं हो, वहां से डिलीट, आपके फोन से डिलीट हो जाता है, लेकिन नेटवर्क पे हमेशा रहता है कि आप क्या ब्राउज कर रहे हैं. So very careful while using the phone. Okay, you understand, right? Any questions? No, is it clear? So you know how to use, how to follow that safety. हाँ, घर में लॉक कैसे डालना है, वैसे ही आपके सिस्टम को कैसे लॉक करना है, समझ में आ गया? Okay. Okay, thank you very much for the day. Happy New Year. Stay safe.
మీకు అర్థమైందండి అందరికి? ఏం అర్థమైందండి? ఒకరోజు చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా. ఎనీవన్, ఇప్పుడే కదా భయపడకూడదు, దాయకూడదు, ఏదున్నా మాట్లాడాలని మాట్లాడుతున్నా. మీరు మీరే ఎంత సిగ్గుపడతారు, పిల్లలు ఎంత సిగ్గుపడతారండి చెప్పడానికి. ఈ టాపికే అలాంటిది. మిమ్మల్ని అందరిని ఎందుకు పిలిచామంటే పిల్లలు ఎంత సిగ్గుపడతారో మీరు అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ సిగ్గుపడుతున్నారు. ఇలాంటి విషయాలలో సిగ్గుపడకూడదండి. పిల్లల్ని కంఫర్ట్ చేయడమే మన రోల్. ఇంత అపురూపంగా పెంచుకుంటాం పిల్లల్ని, అవునా కదా? ఎవరైనా పిల్లలు మీకు అలా చెప్పినప్పుడు మీరు చేసే ఫస్ట్ పని ఏంటంటే, మామూలుగా ఒక నేనైనా సరే మనకు వచ్చే థాట్ ఏంటంటే, అతని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళొద్దు, ఆమె దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళొద్దు, అటు వెళ్ళొద్దు, అటు మాట్లాడొద్దు, అంటూ చెప్పొద్దు, అంతే. అలా కాదండి, అది అక్కడితో ఆగిపోదు. వాళ్ళు ఇంకా వేరే వాళ్ళని కూడా సతాయిస్తూ ఉంటారు. తెలుసుకోండి, మాట్లాడండి పిల్లలతో, నోరు విప్పి వాళ్ళ సమస్య ఏంటో కనుక్కోండి. ఆ తర్వాత దానికి సంబంధించి ఎవరికి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలో వాళ్ళకి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంతా దాని గురించే. అది చిన్న పిల్లలు, 5 ఏళ్ల పిల్లలైనా సరే, 15 ఏళ్ల పిల్లలైనా సరే, ఆఖరికి మీరైనా సరే, అలాంటివి ఏమన్నా జరిగినప్పుడు వెంటనే రియాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. సైలెంట్ గా ఉండడం, రూమ్ లో కూర్చోవడం, మగ్గిపోవడం, ఏడవడం అలాంటిది కాదండి. ఎవరికి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా సమస్య సాల్వ్ చేయాలనే దానికి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కండక్ట్ చేశారు. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి? ఎనీబడి చెప్పండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? రీచ్ బియాండ్ ఈ సంవత్సరం చేసిన ఈవెంట్స్ మీకు చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ సంవత్సరంలో రీచ్ బియాండ్ మీ పిల్లలు ఏమేం చేసారు ఇక్కడ? ఓన్లీ 2 minutes సార్, కెన్ యు టేక్ దిస్?
यहाँ पर बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स हैं जो हिंदी जानते हैं, है ना? आप लोगों ने वीडियो देखा, हम क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप बोल सकते हैं क्या बताया? शर्म आती है ना? अभी हम बड़ों को ही ऐसा शर्म आएगी तो ये बच्चों का क्या होएगा? मैं तो सोच रही थी आप में से कोई एक जना उठ के बोलेगा कि अरे हाँ, ये हमने तो इस तरीके से सोचा ही नहीं है, कभी भी हमने कैसे सोचा, नो बहुत दो, तुम नहीं जाना उधर, डांट देते बच्चों को, है ना? पर जो कर रहा है गलती उसको कौन बचा? समझ में आ रहा है? वो तो बच्चे हो सकते हैं, कभी कभी आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा हो सकता है जैसे जमाना अच्छाई का है वैसे जमाना इधर भी चल रहा है ना, तो आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि हमारी सुरक्षितता कहाँ है। हमको भी दिमाग से स्ट्रांग बनना है। अगर कुछ फिजिकली भी तकलीफ हुई, कुछ शारीरिक तकलीफ हुई, तो डरना नहीं है।